Hi friends, how are you? Hope you will be fine. I'm Khanjes. First, I request to all my beloved friends, please like and subscribe this unique and amazing channel because it is totally free of cost for you, but highly encouraging and motivation for me. Thank you. Today we visit most spectacular and magnificent location in Lofoten Island, named Rorbu red-colored cabins in Lofoten Island, which is, let's see it for further information. The Lofoten located 800 miles from Oslo and 95 miles north of the Arctic Circle. The Lofoten archipelago is known for its remote rugged beauty. The distinctive Rorbu cabins are one of the features of the Nordland coastline and particular to Lofoten. The cabins were originally basic accommodation for the Lofoten fishermen, built on poles partly out in the water. Today, there are Rorbu cabins in a range of categories from basic to high standard. Rorbu cabins were originally built right down on the shoreline, often on poles in the water, with natural access to the rowing boats right next to the cabin. Many fishing villages gradually became densely built up, both the red cabins and fish processing buildings dominating the townscape. Red fish oil paint was the cheapest and the most common used paint, but the different color ochre gradually gained in popularity. Rorbu cabins and the large number of the rigs for drying the fish create a special environment in the fishing village of Lofoten. With their characteristic atmosphere, they have become the topic of the popular catchphrase in Norwegian tourism known as fisherman cottage holidays. Spending a holiday in the fisherman's cabin is particularly popular in Lofoten. In this video, you can clearly watch ocean waves are bumping with red wooden cabins. Really, it is amazing and spectacular scenery for relaxation. This place is very ideal for authors and painters. Hope you will enjoy this little but precious video and get more knowledge regarding these red cabins on beach in Lofoten. Thank you so much.